The Shop Owner and the Parrot. "Oh, my lovely parrot," says the shop owner, "you are the guard of my shop. You can sing. You are very beautiful and clever." "I am going home," says the shop owner. "Stay here." The parrot is alone in the shop. There is nobody in the shop. A mouse enters into the shop. He says, "Help me, help me." A cat is running after the mouse. The parrot sees the cat and the mouse. The parrot is afraid. He screams. "Hey, stop!" the parrot says, but the cat wants to catch the mouse. There is a rose oil bottle near the cage. The parrot drops the rose oil bottle. He is very sad. He cries. The shop owner comes to his shop. He sees the rose oil bottle on the floor. He is very angry. The shop owner hits the parrot's head. The parrot's feathers fall off. He becomes bald. The parrot is unhappy. He doesn't sing. He doesn't speak. In his cage, he is very silent. The shop owner sees his parrot silent and unhappy. The shop owner is very sorry. "Oh my God, forgive me, my lovely parrot," he says to his parrot. "Please say something." After 3 days, the parrot is still silent. He doesn't speak. The shop owner prays. Suddenly, a bald man enters into the shop. "Welcome," says the shop owner to the bald man. He smiles at the bald man. The bald man says, "Hi." "Can I buy some biscuits?" asks the bald man. "Okay," says the shop owner. "And I want 5 eggs too, please," says the bald man. "Okay," says the shop owner. By the way, the parrot is listening to the shop owner and the bald man, but he isn't speaking. "Hey, bald man," the parrot says suddenly, "look at me." The bald man looks at the parrot. Then the shop owner looks at the parrot. The shop owner is surprised because his parrot speaks. "Oh my God, thank you," says the shop owner. This time, the bald man is surprised and angry. "Why do you thank God?" asks the bald man. "Your parrot is insulting me and you say, 'Thank you, God.'" The bald man says, "I am sorry, but my parrot is speaking. Normally, he can't speak after he's ill." Meanwhile, the parrot says, "Hey, bald man, why are you bald like me? Do you drop rose oil bottles like me?" Then everybody laughs at the parrot.